G'day everyone, Wayne from Land and Bay Fishing. This is going to be a short vid on how to fish for bream with soft plastics. As you can see, this video in front of us, or this clip in front of us, is just some of the soft plastics that I use. They range between 40mm and 60mm, or 2.5 inch. Various colours. A lot of them imitate prawns and yabbies, a lot of them imitate small bait fish. The best hooks, I think anyway, are the hidden weights for bream. You can get them from about 1/16 or 1/12 right up to 1/40. They're common in the shops. You can actually get them outside those ranges, but you'll have to search for them. The 2.5 inch, 2.5 inch curly tails are really good all year round. The bream will hit them regardless of winter or summer. In the summertime, I really do like the prawn patterns though, and the yabby patterns. They seem to work a little bit better on the bream. And in the wintertime, I like the fish patterns. These are some of the more common ones that I use. Just above here, that one there is the Sardine. A small bream on here. The Z-Man Slim Swims are a great fish pattern. They probably also mistaken by the bream for prawns as well on the day. Make sure that there are a lot of pauses. You twitch them up to the top and then let them just waft their way back down toward the bottom, and you will find that bream will hit while it's wafting back toward the bottom, more so than on those twitches. The Eco Gear Aqua Bream prawns are probably one of my preferred prawn patterns. They just seem to work a treat in the canals and around the pontoons. I've got two colours in my tackle box most of the time. One's a mud-eye and the other one's a salt and pepper. Real size, between 1,000 and 2,000. You don't need more than that, any more than that. You're just holding weight that you don't need to hold. Really important to keep that line class light. So 4 pounds, my main go-to size in line class, whether it's mono or braid. And then my lead is the same, 4 pounds. Every now and then, if I want to get a bit more sporty, I go down to 2.5 pound. Obviously, you don't need the fluorocarbon leader if you're fishing with a light mono. A low stretch mono or a normal mono, both will work well for bream. The rod lengths are really important. The shorter rod length will definitely increase your accuracy. So if you're fishing off a skiff or out of a boat, I'd go down to those 6 rod lengths, 2 to 4 kilo. And then if you're fishing off land on the flats, increase your rod length right up to around that 7.5 foot. And you'll get extra distance. One of the most underrated pieces of kit is the fly vest. The fly vest is a really important bit of kit for me. It keeps everything that I need on my for a day's fishing on my body, and I can move around without too many hassles, and I know where everything is. That's an Aqua Gear bream prawn in those salt and pepper there, 40mm. You can get 40 and 50mm, both work. Make sure you pause and let that thing flutter around, and the bream will smash it on the flutter. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. If you've got any comments, whack them down the bottom, even if you've got an idea for the next vid. Talk to you next time.